Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to dive into the world of website building again, and with e-commerce, with an in-depth look at Ucraft. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur, Ucraft promises a user-friendly experience to help you create your dream website. So let's get started and explore the features, pros, cons of this exciting platform. But before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. So let's jump right in. So what is Ucraft? Ucraft is a website builder and e-commerce platform that allows users to create and manage their online presence without requiring extensive technical knowledge or coding skills. It was founded in 2014 and has since gained popularity as a user-friendly solution for individuals, small businesses, and entrepreneurs looking to establish an online presence. Some key features of Ucraft include a drag-and-drop website builder, allowing users to create and customize their websites. It offers a wide range of templates and design elements to choose from, making it really easy to create visually appealing and professional-looking websites. Ucraft also offers an integrated e-commerce platform, enabling users to set up online stores and sell products or services. It provides various tools for managing inventory, processing payments, and handling orders. Users can connect their own domain names to their Ucraft websites, allowing them to have a more personalized and branded online presence. And Ucraft includes search engine optimization to help improve websites' visibility in search engine results, potentially attracting more organic traffic as well. Websites built on Ucraft are designed to be mobile-friendly and responsive, ensuring consistent and smooth user experience across different devices. Ucraft also allows for integration with third-party services and tools, expanding its functionality and enabling users to connect their websites to various platforms. Ucraft's pricing is all laid out on their website. If you go onto the website and click on the pricing tab, you can see they have different pricing plans and tiers as well, which includes a free plan. Ucraft provides a free plan that allows users to create a basic website. However, it does have slightly limited features, such as the Ucraft subdomain. So your website will be yoursite.ucraft.net, and it has a Ucraft branding on the website. So this is very similar to Wix's free plan, where Wix does offer the free plan, but it is limited in some features, and also you'll have the Wix subdomain and Wix branding across your site. Then you have the Pro website, and this was designed for users who wanted to have more control over their website and remove the Ucraft branding as well. The plan offered a custom domain connection and access to all templates and design elements, and also basic SEO tools as well. Then you have the Pro Shop plan, and this was an advanced options suitable for users with more demanding website requirements, and included all the features of the website plan and added priority support as well as the ability to add custom scripts and embed HTML, CSS code as well. And then you have the Unlimited plan, and this was tailored explicitly for users looking to create an online store. It included all the features of the Pro plan, along with expanded e-commerce capabilities, allowing users to list, sell an unlimited number of products. So to get started with Ucraft, you can get started for free quite easily as well. You just want to click on the Try for Free button, and then you'll be asked to start choosing a template, choosing a subdomain, and then you'll be asked to sign up as well. So you can choose a template based on the industry or the type of website you want to create, if it's a blog website, an events website, and a website to do with travel, things like that. So you want to just click through each of the different categories that they have, and you can preview them, and you can select which one that you actually want. And then you want to click on choose a subdomain. As mentioned before, the free plan is limited, and you will have this Ucraft subdomain as part of that free plan. So in order to connect your own domain, you would need to upgrade to another plan. Then you just want to click Get Started and sign up with an account. You can sign up with Google, or you can just sign up with your name, email, and password. Once you have signed up, it'll start creating your website. With Ucraft, there is a 14-day free trial, so you can test out some of the more advanced trial plans and see if it's worth keeping the trial and start paying monthly or yearly for. So it's a good way to kind of test out the features of the pro plans before actually committing to buying it. So you can see here it says your 14-day free trial has started, and we'll be able to use the full features of all the pro plans and see if it's worth buying or not. So in the next few steps, it'll ask you to start creating your website. So it'll ask you some basic steps. You'll need to add your logo, you can start editing your content, use blocks, change colors, add elements, and then it'll add pages, set your SEO tags, connect your domain, and do the essentially step-by-step creating your website. It's a really good checklist and a good guide for creating your own website, especially if you haven't created one before. With a lot of these website builders, you can get overwhelmed with where to start. Do you change your fonts first? Do you change your layout? Do you do your colors? So it's a good way for Ucraft to just list everything out step by step and let you know what you should work on first. But you just want to click on Start Crafting, and you'll be able to sort of edit sort of like the logo. If you wanted to edit the colors, the site colors that's being used, you can do it here. Fonts, elements, all of that is just on this drag and drop builder, and it's really easy to just click on a block or a widget or an element and just drag it on to wherever it is that you want to add it. So it's quite easy to kind of build your website and create the layout exactly how you want it. So let's talk a little bit about their customer support. The level of support provided varies based on the pricing plan the customer selected. Some of the options available is the big knowledge base. So Ucraft has maintained a comprehensive knowledge base with articles, tutorials, and guides covering various topics related to website building, e-commerce, design, and lots more. This resources allows users to find answers to common questions and learn how to use different features of the platform. Customers can also reach out to Ucraft's support team via email to ask specific questions or seek help with the issues that they've encountered while using the platform. And higher tier plans like the Pro Plan, Pro Shop Plan typically include priority support as well, and this means that customers on these plans receive faster response times and more personalized assistance compared to the free or lower plans. Ucraft also offered a live chat feature that allows users to chat directly with support representatives in real time, and live chat support was often available during specific business hours as well. Ucraft also maintained an active community forum where users could interact with each other, share tips, ask questions, and get support from the Ucraft team and other experienced users as well. With all website builders, there's pros and cons to each of them. Some of the benefits of using Ucraft involve a user-friendly interface. So Ucraft's drag and drop website builder makes it easy for users with little or no technical knowledge to create and customize their websites really quickly. The platform also offers a wide range of professionally designed templates catering to various industries and styles, which can be a great starting point for building a website. Websites built with Ucraft are designed from the beginning to be mobile friendly, ensuring a seamless experience for visitors accessing the site on different devices. And Ucraft offers an integrated e-commerce solution, allowing users to set up online stores and sell products without needing to use a separate platform. Users can connect their own domain names, giving them a more professional and branded online presence. And Ucraft provides basic SEO tools to help improve the visibility of websites in search engine results. Lastly, there's no transaction fees, so Ucraft actually doesn't charge any transaction fees on sales made through their platform, which can be really cost effective for small businesses and entrepreneurs, especially when you compare it to the likes of Shopify and Wix. If you were to use their payment methods and their payment options, they do charge a small transaction fee. Some of the drawbacks, however, using Ucraft is number one, the limited free plan. So while they do offer a free plan, there's quite a lot of limitations, like the subdomain and branding, which may not be ideal for those looking for a more professional online presence. And while there is e-commerce features, it's quite limited still. It may not be as robust and feature-rich as a platform like Shopify. Users may find the pricing plans to be relatively higher compared to other website builders or e-commerce platforms in the market, especially compared to what you're actually getting compared to other platforms in the market. While Ucraft allows for some integrations with third-party services, it may not have the same extensive integration options as more other established website builders. and users seeking highly customized and complex websites may find Ucraft's drag and drop system a bit limiting, as it may not offer the same level of flexibility as coding from scratch does. Some users have reported mixed experiences with Ucraft's customer support, with occasional delays in response times or difficulty resolving certain issues. It's important to assess your specific needs and goals when considering any website builder or e-commerce platform. Reading reviews from current users and exploring the platform through its free trial, if available, can also be beneficial in making an informed decision. And that's a wrap for today's video on Ucraft. We hope you find this review helpful in understanding what this platform has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in creating their own websites as well. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on those notifications so you never miss out on more future content. If you have any questions or experiences with Ucraft itself, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.